Most real estate marketing treats a property listing like a temporary flyer. You write a short description, post it, and when it sells, the data becomes useless. Writing one block of text for one platform is a linear effort. The moment the listing is removed, the digital momentum you built instantly disappears. For the agent, this creates a disjointed process. Photos, notes, and publishing tools end up isolated. To build compounding digital traffic, the architecture must change to a one-to-many system. A single structured data source needs to generate infinite marketing assets. Until those isolated workflows are centralized into a single engine, an agent is executing manual labor. They are not building durable digital equity. This dashboard serves as a centralized command center. It organizes all active listing data and AI interactions in one unified environment. The operational hub of this environment is the individual property card. Every piece of context for a specific listing lives exactly here. We will use this property, 107 E Mill Road in Flowertown, Pennsylvania, as our baseline. The objective is no longer writing a simple 3-paragraph property description. The goal is to transform the data inside this single card into a complete, intent-driven SEO architecture. Centralizing the data ensures semantic consistency. Every marketing output, from social media to long-form blog posts, is generated from one verified master source. Any AI engine is limited by its input. Generic data yields generic output. To generate high-value assets, we feed the engine specific hyper-local facts. For this estate, we include details like a 1937 colonial build, 2.28 acres, and a 2016 pool house. These hyper-local details act as semantic anchors. They force the AI to anchor its writing in reality, preventing it from producing unrankable algorithmic fluff. Many agents waste hours trying to draft poetic copy. The engine does not need poetry. It requires high-density factual data. By clustering these specific facts, the engine can isolate and target highly specific buyer personas. This strict adherence to factual density serves a critical purpose. It eliminates AI hallucinations by narrowing the available data pool to only what is provided. The depth and accuracy of those initial property notes establish the absolute ceiling for how effective the entire SEO campaign can become. Before drafting a single line of public copy, the system must dissect the raw data. This process maps search intent. The algorithm connects the property's unique features to the actual, measurable behaviors of human search traffic. For example, the system maps the 2016 pool house and secondary living wing directly to a buyer searching for multi-generational luxury living. This chart compares search targets. The tall red bars represent broad, high-competition keywords, while the short green bars represent high-value, low-competition long-tail houses. The Keyword Gaps tool isolates these unexploited territories. Targeting these specific, question-based keywords offers a higher probability of ranking and converting than competing for broad terms like Flowertown real estate. To scale those keywords, the system utilizes the cluster map. This diagram illustrates a pillar and cluster SEO model. A central node representing the 107 E Mill Road property links outward to smaller, highly specific surrounding topic nodes. Constructing this architecture automatically replaces the weeks of manual spreadsheet planning required in a traditional SEO workflow. As these interconnected pages are generated and linked, they signal deep subject matter authority to search engines, elevating the ranking potential of the entire domain. The engine builds the content cluster based on these specific search behaviors before any public copy is drafted. Standard blog posts are standard procedure. To acquire asymmetrical traffic, the strategy must push further. Utility-driven SEO, providing interactive tools and specialized data, generates value far beyond informational marketing copy. The AgentClip engine includes direct protocols for generating link bait and tool ideas. Authoritative websites rarely backlink to standard property listings. They backlink to calculators, market reports, and actionable data. Using the Flowertown property data, the system can output the logic for a historic expansion ROI calculator, giving local homeowners a reason to visit the page regardless of their immediate intent to buy. The Traffic Angles tool operates on a similar principle, providing rapid methodologies to identify disruptive, culturally relevant content hooks. Analyzing the neighborhood context, such as the property's proximity to Chestnut Hill and Center City, allows the agent to target regional search traffic that is filtering outward. Deploying these outlier assets builds a digital moat. Competing brokerages utilizing standard listing syndication cannot easily replicate this utility. Providing this level of utility turns the listing into a high-value community resource. With the architectural strategy firmly locked in place, the workflow immediately moves to rapid asset generation and deployment. Activating the blog post tool generates the long-form anchor asset for the cluster. The resulting output is strictly optimized to satisfy the precise search intent mapped out during the analysis phase. The output is also technically ready. The engine generates raw HTML code for instant integration. The push-to-WordPress function bypasses manual formatting, eliminating the administrative drag of copying, pasting, and styling text. The platform successfully bridges the gap between high-level SEO theory and frictionless click-to-publish execution. Rapid AI content generation introduces a critical vulnerability: regulatory and legal liability. Scaling SEO volume creates direct legal exposure if the output deviates from strict real estate advertising laws. Every piece of generated copy passes through a mandatory fair housing compliance scanner. The scanner flags potentially risky language and proactively suggests neutral, objective redirects to ensure the copy remains strictly factual. This automated safety net requires human verification. Agents must verify facts, permissions, and broker rules before any export occurs. We started with a handful of raw property notes. Through a centralized dashboard, those notes were analyzed, mapped to search intent, and expanded into a compliant hub-and-spoke digital architecture. The resulting architecture operates as permanent digital equity, acquiring traffic well beyond the closing date.